Do you think you know everything about Adobe Illustrator? Think again. These 7 hidden shortcuts are like cheat codes for your creativity. And I promise, some of them are going to make your jaw drop. So let's go. You're watching Kid Creative, where smart creators level up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Shortcut number 1, hit Ctrl Shift Alt and M. This opens the font selection dialog instantly. It's the first lane to exploring typefaces without the scroll struggle. Shortcut number 2, hit Ctrl Shift Alt plus U. This flips through your unit measurement in a flash, point, pixel, inches, you name it, seamlessly shift from screen to print designs. Shortcut number 3, just hold Alt and drag a layer in the layer panel. Boom, instantly duplicate. This helps you to duplicate layers effortlessly. It is like cloning your creativity on the fly. Shortcut number 4, just hit Ctrl and Y. Toggle outline mode. Illustrator goes into X-ray vision mode so you can see paths, hidden anchor points, and clean up your artwork with precision. Hit Ctrl plus Y again to snap back. Shortcut number 5, tap the F key, switch screen modes in seconds. This is helpful when you want to focus, to present something, or you want to open a full screen. Then just hit F key and you're already there. Shortcut number 6, hit Ctrl Shift plus H. This hides or shows artboards, makes your workspace feel bigger, cleaner, and more zen. Shortcut number 7, hit Ctrl Shift plus D to go the transparent grid. Perfect for designing logos or graphics that need to shine over any background. And hey, try combining shortcuts. Outline modes plus full screen equals deep focus designing. You will feel like a vector ninja. So which one blew your mind? Drop in the comments. Hit like, subscribe for more Adobe wisdom, and ring that bell so you never miss a shortcut that saves your day. So now you know these shortcuts, give them a try, and see you next Wednesday when I'll be presenting about custom brushes and hidden Illustrator effects. Trust me, you will want this in your toolkit.